discuss about chapter 6 integers case. Last class we discussed how to add the integers in the number line case. Now we are going to discuss about without a number line how to add the given integers. Exercise 6.2 exercise we are going to discussing. Exercise 6.2 without a number line how to add. Then last class we learned same way here. Two positive numbers are adding time. We get which answer a positive. First we add and put a plus sign. Plus means without keeping sign also it is understood it is a positive number. Then example 2 plus 5 is equal to how much? 7. 2 is a positive integer. 5 is a positive integer. Both are adding time. 7. 7 is also a positive plus keep on without a plus. It is understood it is a positive integer. Second rule says that two negative integers are adding time. First what we want to do, that also we want to add and put minus sign. Example 20 minus 20 plus minus 3. What we want to do, both are negative numbers. What we want to do here, just we add after same minus and keep on the answer place. So 20 plus 3 become how much? 23 and put a minus sign. Next third rule says that one is negative integer, other is positive integer. What we want to do in third rule, opposite sign numbers coming time. First of all we want to subtract. Subtract after ignore the sign. Just numbers we look and in that number which number comes as bigger, that number sign you identify. First what we want to do, subtraction doing, and basis of in question basis of bigger number how to identify. First we ignore the sign, then which number is bigger. Then afterwards identified after we'll see the sign and put a sign on the answer place. Example minus 20 plus 10. What we want, 20 is a negative integer, 10 is a positive integer. Opposite sign is that time what we want to do. Third rule says that opposite sign coming to immediately you remember it is first we want to subtract. So 20 minus 10 comes to be how much? 10. Then look at the question. First we ignore the sign. Don't see the sign, ignore that. Then look at the number. 20 or 10 is greater, 20 is greater. Then afterwards we identified that 20 is greater. Then look at the sign. What is the sign of the 20? Minus. That's why my answer become minus 10. Then one more example. Here 15 plus minus 20 minus 20 is there. So what we want to do, first opposite side means what we want to do, first of all we subtract. 20 minus 15 comes to be how much? 5 is the answer. Then look at the number, ignore the sign and just look at the number. 20 or 15 is bigger, 20 is bigger. Then afterwards see the sign, symbol of sign of 20 is which sign? Negative integer. Our answer become which answer? Getting a minus 5. Like this way we are going to doing the sums. So first next question. So textbook sums for third Roman they says that don't draw the number line without a number line. Find out the answer. A question 11 plus minus 7. How to solve this answer? 11 plus or minus change it to, or once you check it, 11 is a positive integer, 7 is a negative integer, 1 is a positive, another is negative. What we want to do, opposite sign means first of all we subtraction do. Third rule here we apply. 11 minus 7 comes to be how much? 4 is the answer. Then which is bigger number? 11 or 7 is bigger? 11 is bigger. That's why answer become which answer? We will get 4 as the answer. In this way we are doing. B question minus 250 plus 150. Like this way. Another question. One is a negative integer, other is a positive integer. Opposite side means what we want to do? Subtraction do. So 250 is subtracted with 150. Subtraction do into how much is coming? The 100. Then look at the question. We ignore the sign first. We ignore the sign and see the question. 250 or 150 is bigger and 250 is bigger. That's why then look at the sign of 250. 250 is negative. That's where answer become which answer? A minus 100 will get you there. Next one more question. 207 minus 217 plus minus 100, like this number. Here what we want to do, both number are negative integers. Both are negative means second rule apply. Both are negative integers coming means first of all we add and put a minus sign. So we add that 217 and 100 were adding a first step. So how much will coming there? 370 and put a which is a symbol a minus. Same sign, that means two negative integer coming time, first we add and same negative sign marking on the answer place. I hope you can understand. Without number line you find out add the given number. Next fourth Roman. Fourth Roman also like that. Find the sum of. Fourth Roman they tells about find the sum of. Find the sum of. Here number is given as 137 and minus 354. In this way they given the question. So first of all what we want to do, instead of and place we put what operation what we want to do? Addition operation. Sum means we want to add. That's why instead of and place we substitute addition operation and second number is minus 354. Right. First we write as in symbolical way. Then solve the sum. How to solve? 137 is a positive integer, minus 357 is a negative integer. What we want to do? Opposite sign means first of all we subtraction do. So subtraction do in time 354 is subtracted with 137. Here 4 minus 7 not possible. Borrow from next place. 4 change it to 40. 40 minus 7 becomes 7. 4 minus 3 become 1. 3 minus 1 become answer become 217 is the answer. Which number in the given question which is bigger number? 354. Ignore the sign first of all. Just numbers look up. Which is bigger number? 354. First identify, after see this side. 354 side represent minus sign. That's where answer become which answer? Minus 217 is the answer. Next question, find the sum of 15 minus 200 and 300. Three numbers are given. So first of all what we want to do, which operation we want to keep in each number middle a plus operation. Why? Because here question find the sum of. That's why minus 15 comma after plus again minus 200 after again operation plus then 300 substitute. Then next all these numbers, first negative numbers are added. These two are negative integers. That's why that two numbers are added. 200 plus 50 become how much? 250. Which number sign a minus sign? Why? Because both are negative. Second rule says that both are negative integers. First we add and put a minus. That's why minus 250 we are substituting. Plus our third number is 300. Again seen in which form? One is a negative integer, other is a positive, opposite side. Different side means what we want to do? First of all we want to subtract after bigger number sign we keeping on the answer. So 300 minus 250 become how much? 50. Then which is bigger number? 300. Sign of 300 is 50 plus, that's where answer become plus 50. I hope you can understand this problem. Next fourth Roman case. They are also find the value of. They still fourth not fifth Roman. For this is our fourth Roman. Next fifth Roman. Fifth Roman case, find the value of. Find the value of. Find the value. Value find out. A question minus 7 plus minus 9 plus 4 plus 60, like this way. 4 numbers are given. First of all, 4 numbers given means what we want to do, add here same sign numbers, consider and adding them, which are same sign. This was 7 and 9 are negative, minus 7 and minus 9 are negative. That's why they are adding and put minus sign. Second rule apply. So 9 plus 7 become how much? 16. They add and put a minus sign. These two are a positive integer. That's why that positive integer first. Next we want to add 16 plus 4 comes to be how much? 20 plus 20. Two positive integer coming time we add and put minus sign. That's why also plus sign. That's why we put a plus 20. 16 plus 4 comes to be 20. So we put a positive. Again see, again they are in which form? Negative. One is negative integer, other is a positive integer. Opposite sign for what we want to do. First of all we subtract. Opposite sign means first we subtract 20 minus 16 because how much? 4 a subtraction after big number. Without ignore this sign, then numbers only see 16 or 20 is bigger, 20 is bigger, sign of 20 is plus. That's why what is our answer? 4 plus 4 is our answer. Next B question. 37 plus minus 2 plus minus 65 plus minus 8. 4 numbers are there. Here what we want to do, all same sign numbers are adding. 37 is a positive integer, so 37. Then remaining these 3 numbers are negative integer. That negative integers, first of all we add 65 plus 2 comes to be both are negative. That's why we adding same sign means addition. Do and put a same symbol. 65 minus 2 minus 65 minus 2 become how much? Minus 67. Then again plus minus 8 is the third number is mine. Again these two are a negative integer. So next step, that two negative integers are adding. 37 have no change. Once again we repeated. These two are same sign. That means negative sign. That's why they are adding. So adding how much will come in here? 67 plus here 67 plus 8 to become how much? Here comes to be 75. Which is 75? Minus 75. Here which symbol? Minus. Both are same sign means add and put a same symbol. Here that's why 67 and 8 we are adding. Adding time 75 coming in, and which symbol we keeping there? Minus 75. Again 37 is a positive integer, 75 is a negative integer. Opposite side. Opposite different sign means what we want to do? First of all, third rule apply. First of all we want to subtract. 78 to minus 37 comes to 75 minus 37 comes to be how much? 38 is 38 will coming there. Which number is bigger? 75 or 37 is bigger? Subtraction after here without sign, see the number 75 or 35. 75 is bigger. Symbol of 75 is minus. That's why our answer become minus 38 is the answer. I hope you can understand how to solve how to find out the numbers sum without a number line. Remaining problems next class we can discuss. Thank you.